Hi everyone, I'm Sumit, a CS student from NIT Varangal, and in this video we are going to see how to deploy our dynamic or static site on cloud platforms like Render, Netlify, or Vercel. First, I'll show you some of the sites I have deployed on Render or and Vercel. This is one of my portfolio that I have deployed on Render. It is a fully dynamic website. As you can see, it's a dynamic. I have backend in this website, and also I have added a custom domain to my site. And apart from that, I have some other site also. This is also fully dynamic backend website. I have deployed it using a Render. It will take some time if we deploy using a free plan of Render. And apart from that, I have another site that I have deployed using Vercel. This is my weather app. I have deployed it using the Vercel app, as you can see on the top. So let's start the process how to actually deploy our site. So first of all, you need your GitHub account. If you don't have, make a GitHub account, and after that you need to push that all of your codes of your site onto any of the repo that you have made on your GitHub. Like for example, I'll show you I'll show you by rendering or by deploying a site on the Render. This will be the project that I will be rendering on the that I'll be deploying on the Render. As you can see, I have already pushed all the codes onto my GitHub repo. First, you need to make a GitHub account, and after that, make a repo and push all the required codes of your site on your GitHub account. After that, you need to come to Render. Just search for Render on your site, and after that enter into this. If you don't have account on the Render, please make it. It do not charge anything, and it's totally free, and it's easy. You can easily sign up with your Google accounts. After sign up, you need to connect your GitHub account to your Render, and after connecting, you can easily deploy the sites. I'll show you a single example. As you can see, that is one of my projects was Find Stay, and another was personal portfolio. So for deploying, come to your project section. Here, project section. After that, create a new project. In this, you need to give the name of your project. Like my project name was Bright Future, so I'll be giving this. And after that, you created your project name, and here you need to create a new service. In new service, you will be given lots of options. On basis of that, you can choose whether your site is static site or web service. Like it is a dynamic site which contains a backend. If your site do not contain backend, like it contains only if it contains only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, so you should go for this option, static site. Otherwise, you should go for web service. And in my project that I'm going to deploy has backend too, so I'll be choosing this option. And after connecting your GitHub, you can easily get the option of which project actually you want to deploy. So I want to deploy this project Bright Future, so I'll click it, and right after that, I'm not even it's begin. After that, choose a language. So in language, you need to choose what you have used while making your projects, like whether it is Node.js or Docker, Go, Ruby, based on that. And you need to select, and this is the branch of your repo. And these all things are optional. You don't need to do anything. In build command, you need to actually write the code which actually downloads your dependency. Like in the if you have used Node.js, you just write npm install. It will tell the Render to run this command in order to download all the dependencies that are in your projects. And this command, start command, will actually tell which file is to be started, which file is the main file. So in our current repo, in our current project, the server.js is the main file, and to start that server, we need to run node server.js. And in the instance section, you should choose free trial. Like it will allow your 512 MB RAM, which is completely free. And if you want your project to be production level, like if you deploy your project using a free plan, your your site might be slow, and it will give a very bad user experience. So for a good user experience, you can choose any of the plans. And if your project has environment variables like API keys and lots of API keys, cloud keys, and MongoDB keys, etc. Then you can keep here your environment variables. Currently, I don't have any of the environment variables, so I'll skip it. And after that, you just need to click this deploy web service. It will start deploying your web service. It will take some time, and first it will install your npm package. Like as you can see in the top, it is installing our npm package, and after installing, it will start your server, and after some time, it will, your web service will be get started, and it will be given some link. So it will take some time. As you can see, our web service is alive now. It is showing it's alive, and it can be, we can see our website on this website. It has given a link here. We'll copy this link and we'll come to a new project. We'll come to our browser and we'll see whether we are able to see these or not. You just as you can see, we just deployed this site. This is a fully dynamic site. Just so in this way you can easily deploy your site as per your wish. This is the fully function site. It will work easily if you have some very less user. If you are currently learning about web deployment, you can easily prefer render to deploy your project. So right after that, we'll see how to actually add a custom domain to your projects. For the same project, first you need to have the custom domain. Like for the custom domain, you can buy a custom domain and register and add that in your Cloudflare account. And after that, or not only Cloudflare, there are lots of platforms in which you can add your custom domain. And first, if you want to add your custom domain here, you just need to come back. Like let me see, where was that? In this section, in events and in settings section, you need to come here, and in the below you will have a custom domain option. Here is the option of custom domain. You can add custom domain. Currently I have that custom domain. I'll show you some trial. I have already added, so it will throw some error, but I'll show you how to actually do it. Sumit Kumar 67. Okay, must be a valid username. Oh sorry, this is my custom domain. I'm really sorry. This domain already exists on another site. Please delete. Okay, I have already added this custom domain to another. So it is very easy. When you buy your custom domain, just come and paste here. After pasting here, you will given some DNS links, DNS records that you need to store, that you need to add to your DNS record wherever you have bought your domains. So in this way, you can easily deploy your site on the render. So that's all in this video. I'll be back soon with a new fresh video. Till then, bye bye.